In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a copy of your tax return completely online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official irs.gov website. Please, this is the only website out there. There's many scams out there, so please make sure you go to the official irs.gov website. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and go to this main menu. Then you want to press on get your tax record. Once you're over here, then you guys have two options. So number one, you could access your tax records and transcript in your individual online account. So if you want to just view it online, you could do so through this top area right over here. But if you want to go ahead and just get it through mail, then you can go ahead and press on this option that does say get transcript by mail. But keep in mind, it arrives in 5 to 10 calendar days at the address that they currently have on file for you. So if you wanted to access your tax record online, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead, view, print, or download your transcripts, find how much you owe, look at your payment history, see your prior year adjusted gross income, and view other tax information. So you will need to go ahead and sign into your IRS account. But yeah, if you haven't made one, then you need to create one over here. So it really is up to you. So for me, I would need to go ahead and create an account. But basically from there, it will actually give you access to your IRS tax return. You can go ahead and look at it, see what's going on. And please just make sure whenever you are creating your IRS account, make sure to memorize your password and the username. I am not joking, guys. This is not something to mess around with or play games with. This is not like a video game. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.